Well, global warming is causing the climate to produce a lot of damages and like earthquakes, droughts.
I'm going to talk about applications of chemistry in food. Today, chemistry is one of the processes applied in food. We use processes like pasteurization, freezing, smoking in order to preserve the food.
The solutions is just don't use your car for everything. Just don't use it a lot, especially if the do. It's just turning off the lights. Turn off the lights when you're not using it when you're not in the room. Especially if it is day. I mean, it's natural and you are not contaminating in that. Another thing is don't just spray, just don't use insecticides and that stuff that goes directly to the atmosphere.
So there's a really strong relationship between warfare and chemistry. You know why?
No, I actually going to ask you why is
Biotic gas bombs and nuclear bombs and all that.
yeah.
Chemistry is really good for the wisely, sometimes, well, mostly not wisely. So, for instance, we have made nuclear bombs, and you know that that has killed a lot of people.
A lot.
But at the same time, it's like advances in technology in warfare, more specifically, you know?
Yeah.
Chemistry is a science that studies both the composition, structure, and properties of matter, and the change it undergoes during the chemical reactions and the relation with energy as a primary concept.
Well, in conclusion, I think that chemistry had influence in positive and in negative. In negative, I think because the medicine is not accessible to all the public. And in positive, I think because the all advances of science and medicine, like drugs, device of X-rays, compounds, the research organs, prostheses, the all material that is made everything, absolutely everything. So I think that is it, and that's it.
Everything that we do and understand has a relationship with chemistry. If you get sick, you go to a doctor and to a hospital, and they will give you medicaments, and well, they are they are made of chemicals, and also the food. So we conclude that chemistry is important for all of our life. No matter how old are you, what you do for a living, whether you go to school or not, chemistry is important to make new drugs and to improve every day our life. It also helps making anything that's synthetic, such as food, clothes, plastics, etc. Well, without a lot of things that contain chemicals, we couldn't do the things that we're used to do. Just like eating and wearing clothes. So chemistry is very important, and we have to use it correctly with no contaminating and with not doing things that can damage to our world. But chemistry is a science that make big changes and big discoveries that help us um, more than a lot. Thanks to it, we have many things. So thanks to chemistry.